Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. Today I will compare two OLED TV in this video. So let's go. Now enjoy this video. Firstly, we start display. Display technology. Panel type. Backlight. Screen size. Resolution. Refresh rate. Pixel density. Display colors. Bit depth. Brightness neat. Video processor. Number of HDMI. HFR. HDR formats. High gig. Part 2. General space. ER. Design. Tuners. Wi-Fi. Bluetooth. Wall mountable. USB port. Part 3. Audio. Speakers. Voice assistants. HDMI ARC and EARC. Part 4. Smart TV and apps. TV platform. Version at launch. OS update. AirPlay 2. Social media. Thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to my channel.